We're going to look at increases and decreases by a percentage this time. And first of all, I'm going to show a way which a lot of students learn to begin with. Increase 120 by 10%, and what they do is they do 10%, so 10 out of 100. They times it by 120, find they've got 12. And then they take the 120, and they add on the 12, and they get 132. It's fine, but it takes two calculations, and it also won't help us for the last in the series, which is about finding inverse calculations. So what I'm going to do is do this in one line. 120, and I'm going to times it by 100 plus the percentage increase and divide it by 100. So this is 100 over 100, that's actually 120, and 10 over 100 to represent the increase. Now, what we've actually got is something called the multiplying factor. So 100 plus 10 divided by 100 is 1.1, and this is called the multiplying factor. And if we do this on the calculator, it gets us straight to 132. When you get into this, this is a much quicker way of working out percentage increase. So it's 100 add 10 because I had a 10% increase. Let's look at one with a decrease. I want to decrease, excuse my spelling, I want to decrease 150 by 15%. So I'm going to start off with 150 and I'm going to times it by, and I'm going to always write 100 to begin with until I'm used to doing these, and decreases to go down, so I'm going to decrease it by 15% all over 100. So that is 85 over 100, 150 times 0.85. And I'm going to do this one on the calculator to make sure I get my calculation correct. So it's 150 times 0.85, and it gives me 127.5. And that's how I very quickly work out percentage increase and decrease.